Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated release of the 2025 Ducati Diavel V4, a machine that continues the legacy of power, precision, and performance. The Diavel has always been synonymous with aggressive styling and exhilarating performance, and the 2025 model is no exception. Let's take a closer look at what's new and what makes this bike a must-see for any motorcycle enthusiast. Design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 immediately catches the eye with its bold and aggressive design. While staying true to its iconic silhouette, the new model features more refined and aerodynamic bodywork. Ducati has sharpened the bike's front-end styling with a more angular LED headlight design that gives it a futuristic and unmistakable presence. The muscular fuel tank, exposed mechanical elements, and sculpted seat frame add to its commanding road presence. The color schemes have also been updated, giving riders a choice between classic hues and more vibrant options to match personal styles. Ducati has managed to elevate the visual appeal while maintaining the raw, powerful essence the Diavel is known for: performance and powertrain. Under the hood, Ducati has maintained the Diavel's reputation for blistering speed and raw performance. The 2025 model is powered by a 1,158 cubic centimeters V4 Granturismo engine derived from Ducati's high-performance lineup and fine-tuned for better power delivery and throttle response. Expect around 168 horsepower with 93 lb-ft of torque, offering thrilling acceleration that hits hard across the rev range. The new exhaust system not only enhances performance but delivers an aggressive, unmistakable exhaust note. What sets the 2025 Diavel V4 apart is its sophisticated electronic suite. It features a next-generation ride-by-wire system, Ducati Power Launch, DPL, wheelie control, and a quick-shifter for seamless, clutchless gear transitions. It's a ride that blends muscle bike attitude with superbike DNA. Safety and technology. Ducati hasn't overlooked safety and rider comfort. The 2025 Diavel V4 is packed with cutting-edge tech, including a vivid TFT display that provides access to riding modes, bike status, and Ducati's multimedia system. The comprehensive electronics package includes lean-sensitive ABS, cornering traction control, cruise control, and engine brake control. Additionally, the Diavel V4 now comes with adaptive lighting for better visibility in turns and a hands-free ignition system. The refined suspension setup with fully adjustable front and rear components ensures that whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking curves, the Diavel remains composed and confidence-inspiring. Conclusion. The 2025 Ducati Diavel V4 is a perfect balance of power, design, and cutting-edge technology. Subscribe Gear Grinders for more latest bike reviews.